We'll have a study group. Page 166. Listening and reading. Exercise A. Listen to the dialogue. Then answer this question. What can the students do to get ready for the exam?
And we are listening for the answers to these questions. Okay.
Help for Maria.
It was fun staying home from school for a few days.
Yeah, but now we have a lot of work to catch up on.
And you know what that means. It means Mr. Gomez might give us extra homework.
Class, we need to talk about our final exam in reading.
Reading? A reading test?
Yes, Maria, a reading test.
But I can't read.
Of course you can read.
But I'm bad at taking exams. I get really nervous.
Don't worry, Maria. I'll help you get ready for the exam.
I will too.
And so will I.
That gives me an idea. Why don't you have a study group?
That's a good idea, Mr. Gomez. That'll help Maria and everyone.
What do you think, Maria?
I guess it might help, but...
Okay, everyone. Please ask your parents to come to a meeting tomorrow night. We'll make plans for the study group.
So far, what answers do we have? They'll start a study group. They'll ask their parents to come to a... What did he say? Ask your parents to come to a meeting. Come to a meeting. They'll study the... Let's find out what they'll study and what they'll review.
Gomez, may I ask my grandmother to come too?
Of course, May.
What else can we do to get ready for the exam?
Well, you can study the vocabulary words and review the stories in our book. Try to read one story every day. Read, read, read.
They'll study the vocabulary words. They'll study the vocabulary words. Oops. I should probably type it. They'll review the stories in their book. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, because we changed the Y to I-E. And they'll read one story every day. Read, read, read. That is excellent advice. So we look down at the bottom. Complete each sentence. I wasn't at school yesterday, so I have homework tonight. I wasn't at school yesterday, so I have extra homework tonight. We have a big math test next week. It's the final exam. I need the vocabulary words for the test on Friday. I need to review. I need to review. Look again. I need to review the vocabulary words for the test on Friday. Today is the last day to buy school t-shirts. It's the t-shirt sale. If it's the last day, it's the final day. We need to decide what to do for our science project. We need to talk to the group. We're going to talk to the group to decide. We're having a meeting tonight. Come to the cafeteria at 7. We're having a meeting tonight. Come to the cafeteria at 7. Now that we have this, you need to practice reading through these sentences at least 3 times. Let's do the first time together. Make it bigger. They'll start a study group. They'll ask their parents to come to a meeting. They'll study the vocabulary words. They'll review the stories in their book. They'll read one story every day. I wasn't in school yesterday, so I have extra homework tonight. We have a big math test next week. It's the final exam. I need to review the vocabulary words for the test on Friday. Today is the last day to buy school t-shirts. It's the final day of the t-shirt sale. We need to decide what to do for our science project. We need to talk to the group. We're having a meeting tonight. Come to the cafeteria at 7. Now you practice reading them 2 more times. We're looking at Keys to Learning, Chapter 15, Workbook page 126. Word study. Other vowel sounds. The sound is ah, ah, spelt with A-W. Look at the pictures and sound out the words. Fill in the blanks with A-U or A-W. Say the word with me. Author, author, author. Pa, pa, pa. That's a W. Draw, draw, draw. August. See it right there? August. Capital A, U. August. What's this? Straw. 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 Yawn. Oh, yawn. Yawn. Okay. Laundry. 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 Dirty laundry. Or maybe clean laundry. Laundry. What is that? That is a strawberry. 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 So let's sound out the sentence. Circle the words. Circle the words with the sound ah. When you find one of the words, fill in a star. The audience was yawning. So 2 stars. The author was doing his laundry. Do you hear ah? The author was doing his laundry. What do you hear? The author was doing his laundry. So you should have 2 stars. I saw Paul last autumn. Say it with me. I saw Paul last autumn. Ah, ah, ah. 1, 2, 3. In August, we drink strawberry sodas with a straw. Ah, ah, ah. Now, choose 3 words from exercise A. In your notebook, you don't have to do it in your notebook, you can do it right here. Write a sentence using each word. So number 1, I yawn when I am tired. I yawn when I am tired. Okay, so 3 sentences picking 3 words from here. Now we're looking at grammar 3. Statements with may and might. May and might tell us about possible plans. Not definite plans, but possible plans. Write these words in the correct boxes. Going to. So, definite means yes. Possible means, I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no, maybe. So, which words say going to? Going to is yes, definite. Not going to. You're not going to the party. That's definite. May. May is possible. May not. May not. Possible. Might. Might is possible. Might not. Possible. And then will and won't are definite. So your instructions. Rewrite the sentences. Change the definite plans to possible plans. We are not going to go shopping. We are not going to go shopping. We may not go shopping. We may not go shopping. I'm going to go out with my friends. I may go out with my friends. I may go out with my friends. He'll be late. He'll be late. He might be late. Okay, he might be late. They won't have a party. They might have a party. They might have a party. She's not going to buy a dress. She's not. She may not. She may not buy a dress. She may not buy a dress. They're going to have a study group on Thursday. They might have a study group on Thursday. Write 3 sentences about your possible, may, might, your possible plans for tomorrow. Use may, may not, might, and might not. So what are you writing about? Your possible plans. I might wear a blue sweater and jeans. I might go see a movie. I may go to a friend's house. So you are going to write 3 more sentences using may, may not, might, or might not. Good luck. We're looking at Keys to Learning, Chapter 15. At the very end, we're looking at Grandmother Chu. Who does May live with? What language does May's grandmother speak? Why didn't May's grandmother want to go to the meeting at the school? What did May's grandmother always want to do? Who taught May's grandmother to read Chinese? So for each of these questions, who does May live with? Answer with a complete sentence. May lives with who? What language does May's grandmother speak? Complete sentence. May's grandmother speaks what? Okay, I'd like to look now at the writing assignment for chapter 15. So you are going to write about a trip that you plan to take someday. A trip I plan to take someday. Somewhere you would like to go. Where would you like to go? I would like to go to Hawaii. Where would you like to go? So let's look at the example. Notice the details that say where the person's going, who they are going with, what the place is like, describing it, where they are staying, who they're singing, and what they'll do. Because this is what you're going to write about. Let's read it together. I lived in Guilin, China for 13 years. This summer, I'll go back with my mom and dad to visit. Guilin is a small city, but it is very beautiful. The people are nice and the food is very, very good. We'll stay at my grandmother's house and eat good Chinese food. We'll visit my aunt and uncle. I might meet some new cousins. I'll go out with my old friends too. We'll go shopping. We may see the newest Chinese movie. And, of course, we'll catch up on all the family news. As we read it the second time, let's notice the details. Okay. Who is going? I. Where? Where are they going? They're going to Guilin, China. When? Summer. Who are they going with? With my mom and dad. What is the city like? It is small, but it's beautiful. The people are nice and the food is very, very good. Okay, so what is it like? What is it like there? It's small, it's beautiful, the people are nice, and the food is very, very good. Where will you stay? We'll stay at my grandmother's house. And what will you do? We will eat good Chinese food. We'll visit. We'll meet new cousins. I'll go out with my friends. So what will you do? We'll go shopping, maybe see a movie, and we'll catch up on the family news. Okay, does this make sense? Let's read through it one more time. I lived in Guilin, China for 13 years. This summer, I'll go back with my mom and dad to visit. Guilin is a small city, but it is very beautiful. The people are nice and the food is very, very good. We'll stay at my grandmother's house and eat good Chinese food. We'll visit my aunt and uncle. I might meet some new cousins. I'll go out with my old friends too. We'll go shopping. We may see the newest Chinese movie. And of course, we'll catch up on all the family news. Okay, so one more thing to point out is the grammar lesson on may and might. Do you notice those words in here? I may, I might. I might meet some new cousins. We may go to the movie. Okay, I might, we might, we may. Okay, so now it's your turn to plan out where you're going to go, what the place is like, where you will stay, who you will see, what you will do. And after you have your plan, so this is first, the second thing is to write it down on the next page. Good luck to you, and I'm here to help. You see here, this is where you will be writing your answer. This is your second step. Make sure that you're using the contraction I'll or we'll. I will, we will. I'll, we'll. Make sure that you're using may and might. I might, we may. And use the present tense to describe a place. You don't say that it was a small city, because it still is a small city. It is small, it is beautiful. And this is where you will write your paragraph, please.